We build layered frameworks, like the automation architecture we talked about. But now, we apply design patterns and scripting techniques.
Design patterns, like the ones developers use?
Exactly. Take the page object model POM.
Sara, I just recorded a login test using that built-in recorder. Clicked run and boom, test passed.
Nice, but let me guess. You tried to reuse it the next day and it exploded?
It crashed harder than a flight sim on a potato laptop.
That's the problem with linear scripting. It's like hard-coding a boarding pass with your name, gate, and seat. The moment anything changes, it's useless.
So what's the alternative?
We build layered frameworks, like the automation architecture we talked about. But now, we apply design patterns and scripting techniques.
Design patterns, like the ones developers use?
Exactly. Take the page object model POM. It helps organize UI code. Each page or component has its own class with actions like click login or enter password.
So instead of having 50 tests with the same login steps, we write it once and reuse it.
Bingo! Want a back-end example? For our flight status API, we use a service class that wraps all the HTTP calls. That way, if the endpoint changes, we fix it once.
What about things like test data? Half my failures come from expired booking IDs.
Test data should be externalized. Use JSON, CSV, or even databases. Keep logic and data separate so you can reuse scripts with different inputs.
Okay, and structure-wise?
We group tests into suites: smoke, regression, and sanity. Each suite targets a purpose. Smoke is fast and shallow, regression is deep and wide.
And how about naming? I've seen test names like test1 final 2 backup fixed.
Oof, your test names should be readable, like test cancel booking with promo code. Treat them like pilot call signs, clear, purposeful, and traceable.
So a good script is like a reliable checklist. Modular, reusable, well-labeled, and readable under pressure.
Exactly. Think flight control tower, not a scribbled napkin checklist. Next episode, we'll take these scripts to the cloud, talking execution strategies, CI/CD pipelines, and how we scale automation without frying our laptops. Thanks for watching with us here at TestTactix, where testers come to upskill, innovate, and succeed. Whether you're automating your first test, scaling a framework, or exploring new tools, this journey is just getting started. Subscribe for more tutorials, tool walkthroughs, QA career tips, and straight-up testing wisdom, delivered with clarity and no fluff.
And don't forget to like, comment, and hit the bell, unless you want Sara to automate a reminder into your CI/CD pipeline.
Got questions? Drop them in the comments. Want to go deeper? Head to TestTactix.com for coaching, resources, and the community you've been waiting for. Until next time, keep testing smart and stay curious.